Hello everyone, my name is Sơn. I'm 9 years old.
My name is Anh. 10 years old.
Third.
30.
Now Today I tell you about animal groups. There are 4 groups: is mammal, bird, fish, and amphibians.
Now I tell you about mammal group. Mammal have fur and have baby. Mammal amphibian, elephant, dog, and cat.
Very good.
Now I tell you about fish. Fish have two gills to help them breathe and one scale to protect their skin.
Goldfish.
Goldfish and shark. Flyfish is a fish.
Now is telling about birds group. Birds lay eggs in the tree. Birds two wings, fly and they fly. Parrots and seabirds are birds.
Now I tell you about amphibian. Amphibian have wet skin, live in water, and lay eggs in water. Frog not have 2 legs, they have 4 legs, and frog is amphibian.
Okay, very good. And Anh, chickens lay these and some people eat them. What is it?
Egg.
Very good. And Son, can you tell me an elephant and an orangutan are part of this group? What group is it? Yes, it's a mammal.
I like mammal groups because they have baby and are mammal.
Very good. And Anh, what animal group do you like?
I like birds group. Is bird in two wings that fly.
Very good. Well done,
Thank you
guys.
for watching. Nhớ chia sẻ nha.
Yeah.